Hey, hello, good morning. My name is Tony, nice to meet you. How are you doing today? Today I'll be showing you 5 ways in which you can use to make money online for free. One ways in which you can make money online is from forum posting. It's one of the easiest ways in which you can make money online. Here are some steps you'll take in order to make money from forum posting. Browse through freelancing sites such as Elance.com, Guru.com, and Odesk.com. Article writing is the second ways in which you can make money from online without any investment. It's 100% free of cost. These are 2 ways in which you can use to make money from article writing. One way is by posting your profile on freelancing sites such as Elance.com, Guru.com, and Odesk.com. Describe your interests and levels of expertise. The second ways in which you can use in order to make money from article writing is by searching for written jobs on the same freelancing sites and apply them.